Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the cosine rule. But before that, I would like to ask everyone to share, comment and like, and don't forget to subscribe also to make these contents more variative, and then it's gonna help everyone else within these important informations. Okay, let's solve these questions. We have here that in the diagram alongside cos theta equals to -1 out of 5. And we can say that I just label it angle A, B, and C. Angle C, that's theta. Meanwhile, the side of CA, x plus 3. And then AB, 3x plus 1. And then BC, x plus 2. So I can label this again that this is equals to C. That is A. That is B. How can we solve this? So we got that the A from that questions, given that A equals to x plus 2, and then B x plus 3, and then C 3x plus 1, and also cos theta equals to -1 out of 5. So we can apply the formula into the formula that cos theta equals to a square plus b square minus c square out of 2ab. Now we can substitute it, that -1 out of 5, the a square, that's x plus 2, plus b square x plus 3 minus 3x plus 1 square out of 2 times x plus 2 and then x plus 3. So then we got the equations, -1 out of 5 minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 12 out of 2 times x plus 2 x plus 3. How did I get the -7x squared plus 4x plus 12? After I expand this, the numerator, and then I add them all together for the like term, and then I subtract them. So that's how we can simplify that. So simplify the denominator. So I got again that this is -1 out of 5 minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 12 out of 2x squared plus 10x plus 12. So we can multiply. So multiplications here, then -1 you times with 2x squared plus 10x plus 12 equals to 5 times -7x squared plus 4x plus 12. So I got that this is going to be -2x squared minus 10x minus 12 -35x squared plus 20x plus 60. Now we try to convert it into the other equations, which is quadratic. So we change that into quadratic. Then we move the whole thing, the -2x squared minus 10x minus 12, to the right side. So we have, this is 0 minus 35x squared plus 2x squared and then plus 20x minus plus 10x again, and of course this is can be removed. Then x minus 12, that's turned to become positive, plus 60. Now we can erase the whole thing after we completely write down the whole terms. Now we can solve this. So 35, this is 0, minus 33x squared plus 30x plus 72. Now this is can be divided with 3. 0 minus 11x squared minus 10x plus 24. Right, so we have that. Now, in order to remove the negative, so we can multiply by negative 1. So we have 11x squared minus 10x minus 24. After I times that with negative 1, then this is equals to 0. Now we can find the value of the x1 and x2. Remember that the a is 11, b negative 10, c negative 24. So apply to x1 comma 2 minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac out of 2a. Then we can find that x1 comma 2 minus 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 10 plus minus b squared minus 10 squared 4 times 11 times negative 24 out of 2 times 11. So we have that this is 10 plus minus, this is 100, and then you got that this is 4 times 11 minus 44, and then you times again with 24, because 4 times 11 and then you times with 24. So we have that this is out of 22. So x1 comma 2, 10 plus minus 100, this is turns to become positive 1056 out of 22. So x1 comma 2, 10 plus minus 156 out of 22. Remember that the square root of 156, then this is 34. So we can find the final answer for that, to find the value of x. So x1 comma 2, 10 plus minus, or already 34 divided by 22. x1 comma 2. First we can find the x1. 10 plus 34 divided by 22, then this is 2. Meanwhile x2, 10 minus 34 divided by 22, then this is negative 1. So we got that already, which is negative 1. This is less than 0. So this is discarded, cannot be used. So the value of x is 2. So that is the right answer. So now how is it the area? to find the area, then we have to apply the other formula by using the other questions from the same question I meant. So for B, area of the triangle equals to A half AB sine theta. A is 4 because you can substitute it. The A, why this is 4? Because A before is x plus 2. So this is 2 plus 2, then that's 4. And then B, x plus 3. So 2 plus 3, that is 5. And C, 3x plus 1. So then 3 times 2 plus 1 equals to 7. Now we can apply. For B, that's we have 5. And then you times with the sine. So cos theta of negative 1 out of 5, then we can find out on this equation. So this is going to be, to get it, what exactly the sine theta? Sine theta equals to square root of 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta, cos square theta, or cos square theta equals to 1 minus 1 out of 5. Then this is equals to 1 minus 1 out of 25. So that's square root of 24 out of 5. Now we have this, the sign, square root 24 times square root 24 out of 5. This is cancelled too. So the area 10 times square root 24 out of 5. This is 2. So the A is square root of 48, or A, this is, you can do that because you can define it. Then this is going to be 4 square root 6, because 2 times square root 48. I guess this is not exactly like that suddenly. So this is 2 times square root 24, right? So we got this is equals to square root 96. Square root 96, that equals to 4 square root 6, because 4 times 4 is 16, times 6 is 96. So that's exactly the area. Okay, I hope this is very clear. I know that's kind of very long. And again, don't forget to watch any video on my YouTube channel, and that's going to help everyone else here that want to study more serious in math and also for science. Thank you for watching, and all the best.